What do you want your future in America to be? As an immigrant in America, planning for your future means saving, managing, and investing your money. If you are new to my channel, my name is Unwana Udoh and my mission is to help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. A little disclaimer, I am not an immigration attorney or a tax professional. Everything I share on my channel is my opinion and you must do your due diligence before embarking on anything mentioned in this video. Furthermore, the content in this video only applies to individuals who are here legally. Now that we have that out of the way, let's jump right into it. The 6 main areas I will be addressing today are: Number 1, banking. Number 2, credit. Number 3, mortgages. Number 4, credit cards. Number 5, remittance. Number 6, retirement. As an American immigrant, your personal financial plan must include opening bank accounts, building your credit, know how to send money, have an understanding of mortgages, using credit cards, and establishing a retirement account. A bank should be your first stop since it provides most of the personal finance tools. Your bank may offer all of the products mentioned earlier, and as you build your credit and exhibit sound personal financial behaviors, the American dream is very achievable. However, you will have to get your documentation in order first. If you found value so far, hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for great content that will help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. The next step is to secure your social security number. Financial institutions require proof of your identity, and for American citizens, you must have a social security number. If you were born in America, you may already have your number, and some hospitals sign children up for this document before they leave the hospital. If you are an immigrant and want to get your social security number, here are the steps. Number 1. Find your nearest social security office by going online to the Social Security website. Number 2. Make sure you bring all your immigration documents including your lawful permanent resident card, admission stamp, Form I-94, or Form 1 to 766. Number 3. Bring your birth certificate. Number 4. Complete an application. Once all your documents have been verified, a card will be mailed to you and the card is free as of the making of this video. However, if you are not eligible, you will get a notification in the mail. Now, if you cannot get a social security number, you could instead get an individual taxpayer identification number issued by the Internal Revenue Service. Here are the steps. Number 1. Visit a taxpayer assistance center, go online to find the nearest office to your location. Number 2. Bring your passport and driver's license. Number 3. Fill out Form W-7. Your card will be mailed to you in approximately 7 weeks. Keep in mind that as of the making of this video, we are experiencing delays in the postal service due to the pandemic and it could take longer for you to get your card. I hope you are finding great value here. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss video updates. Thank you. How to open a bank account. There are basically 2 types of accounts. You will need a checking account and a savings account. A checking account is for your day-to-day transactions, while your savings account is to help you save money for future use. To open an account, you will need the following: your name, date of birth, address, and identification. Your passport, birth certificate, utility bills, and driver's license should have all the information you need. In addition, you will need your social security number or your individual taxpayer identification number. Remember that not all financial institutions offer the same benefits, so take your time picking your first banking relationship. Make sure to pick a bank that offers insurance through the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. This means that your money is safe regardless of what happens to the bank. Also, watch out for excessive fees because some banks charge monthly fees, such as maintenance fees as well as ATM fees. Furthermore, make sure the bank has excellent customer service. Hopefully over time, you can develop a relationship with your bank that will come in handy later on. How to build your credit score. Your credit score is a figure that gives financial and lending institutions a snapshot of your habits and trustworthiness. This score is associated with your social security number or individual taxpayer identification number. If you have poor credit or no credit at all, you may be asked to get a cosigner, make a deposit, and pay higher interest rates. Here are the factors that determine your credit score. Number 1. Your payment history. Number 2. The amount you owe. Number 3. The length of your credit history. Number 4. Your credit mix. Number 5. Your percentage of new credit. If you want more information on how to build your credit score quickly, make sure to watch till the end. I will have a link to a great resource that you can apply today to increase your score. How to send money back home. Money transfer providers like Western Union can send money with fewer fees, and can also get the money into a new account quicker than most banks can. A bank can send money to your family through an international wire transfer. This is safe but usually expensive. Make sure to understand all the fees you will pay before the transfer begins. How to get a mortgage. Buying your first home is usually considered part of the American dream. A home can be an exceptional investment and can work as security for other loans you may need. A home is a big purchase and saving up the cash to buy it outright can be done but will take years to accomplish. A mortgage allows you to buy a house with a small upfront investment and pay for it over time. Remember, I talked about building a relationship with your bank, and this is when it matters. Your bank will likely offer mortgages, and usually, this involves a great deal of paperwork and verification before they will give you the money. To get a home loan, you will need the following: proof of identity, your income, your debt, and your down payment. Working with a mortgage broker is key to getting qualified for a home mortgage. When you are approved for the loan, your lender will check out your potential house, and since your house will serve as collateral, it must be worth at least as much as you want to borrow. You must have an inspection done, and usually, you will have to pay for this inspection. All your loan details, including the total amount you owe and what happens if can't pay, will be explained to you before you sign the loan documents. Make sure you understand all the details. How to open a retirement account. Opening a retirement account and consistently funding it until you retire is the key to having a secure future. Your employer may offer a 401k plan whereby you can automatically have money deducted from every paycheck and put into a 401k. This comes with major tax breaks. In some cases, your employer will match your contributions up to a certain percentage. This is basically free money for you. If your employer does not offer a 401k plan, you can still save for retirement by opening an individual retirement account. Make sure to check with your bank if they offer individual retirement accounts. For more information on retirement accounts, make sure to consult with your financial advisor and tax accountant. How to get a credit card. There are many types of credit cards today depending on your needs. Some of the different types of credit cards are student credit cards, rewards cards, travel cards, balance transfer cards, and cashback cards. Your choice of a card depends on which card is right for you. This also depends on your credit history, so if you have a great credit history and a high credit score, you are considered a prime consumer, and credit card companies are most likely to offer you great introductory promotions. Without a credit history, you may have to take a few steps as mentioned earlier, such as get a cosigner, make a deposit, accept a smaller balance, and pay higher interest rates. Most people think credit cards are free money. Don't be fooled. Only use what you can pay off every month, that way you will avoid costly interest charges. Thank you very much for watching this far, and I hope you found this useful. Make sure to share this video with someone you know will benefit from it, and if you are an American immigrant, I hope this video helps you navigate the American financial system. Leave comments below and share your successes with my community and any strategies that you are currently employing to master your personal finance and grow your wealth. The next videos on the screen contain information you will love. Click to watch them now.